How to change delivery date in Amazon India. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the delivery date in Amazon India, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically change your delivery date on Amazon India, it's actually quite very simple. Now, you might have the separate Amazon India app. It doesn't really matter. I have changed my region to India, so the interface is pretty much the same. After you open the Amazon app, let's say there is a certain order that you have for which you have a set date. Now, let's say you can't receive it on that date because maybe you have to go somewhere else. You can actually postpone the delivery date. And to do this, after you launch the app, you just want to come to your little account button that you can find here. Once you come to the account button, you should be able to see a list of information here where you can simply select an option known as your orders from the very top of the screen. Once you select your orders, you'll be able to see your current orders where you can select an order that you'd like and then just tap the reschedule option. So you'll find the reschedule option there and you can choose it to a desired date. That's all it takes to change delivery date in Amazon India. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.